I'm going to do prawn coated with grated coconut. Something different, so we will see how it's going to come. First thing, I have to show you how the prawns are seeing, like, you can look at the prawns first. These prawns which we have taken is like, clean these prawns. Large prawns, if you can take, it's good. Large prawns, and what will you do? You clean it up, and I have got it with the tail. Only thing, the vein you remove, the black vein, you remove it and have everything ready. First thing I am going to do is, we will put a little turmeric for this. Actually, seafood or any preparation that we are doing, we have to use the turmeric, and a little salt has to come. Salt has to come into this, and a little pepper also we will put, so that it gives a taste and flavor. Now I have mixed it and kept this for a while. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to prepare few things. Flour. I am taking a little flour. Into this flour I will put chili powder. A little chili powder is nice. A little pepper, salt, a bit of turmeric, and a little spices. Cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, roasted and powdered. That also you put into this. Just a little bit, so that it gives a taste and flavor. Now that also I have kept it. Now I need an egg. Into this also we have to use a bit of pepper, salt, and a little chili powder we can put. Separate. Now we need desiccated coconut into another one. So that also I have kept it ready. So we will see what I am going to do. 3 things I have prepared for you, and of course a little bit of lime also we need. Now what I am going to do is, put the prawns into this, into the flour with all the seasoning. All the seasoning we have put now, so we will mix all that. That has to be. I have coated this, so you can see one by one. You take it out, put it into the egg. Egg also I have seasoned. I hope you can remember. I have seasoned this egg also. Once I take this, one by one, I coat it with the desiccated coconut. Desiccated coconut I am using. Press it nicely. Grated coconut. See. Nicely coat with the desiccated coconut. Now we have coated with the desiccated coconut nicely. First in flour, then in egg, then in desiccated coconut. Now the oil is getting hot. Once the oil gets hot, what are we going to do? We are going to deep fry it nicely till it comes golden brown. You deep fry this. Something really nice. See, the prawns are getting cooked very soon. Do not allow this to get cooked or overcooking. The prawns will become very, very hard. So what we will do is, see, we take this out slowly, one by one. Now prawns are ready. I have deep fried. Now I am going to do the noodles. We have to serve with noodles, no? Because of that, I am going to do the noodle preparation. A small quantity I will just show you how to prepare, so that you can serve with that. Noodles always have to be not boiled. Pour boiling water, cover and keep for 3 minutes. Strain, wash nicely in running water till all the starch goes. Then keep it ready. Now see what I am going to do now. The noodles are ready here. First thing, into the pan I am going to put a little butter. and I'm using a little oil. In this oil you can see what and what I have put into this. That is star anise and nutmeg flour, cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, everything is in that, and this oil is tasty also. So we will use a little bit of that oil. It has a flavored oil. Into this we will put the noodles. We're going to stir fry this. I'm going to use a little bit of salt, crushed pepper, and a little bit of sea salt. Without using the normal salt, use the sea salt. And along with that, I will use green peas. Now I am going to use an egg again with a little pepper and salt. Just put it in the middle. Oh. Now I am ready with all my preparation. My noodles are ready. My prawns are deep fried. So now what I am going to do is I am feeling hungry. So that we can have this preparation with the prawns. One more thing that I have to see. I would like to put a little cheese on top. Hot cheese, a little cheese can come over it, and everything is ready now. This is my beautiful preparation that I have done it with the prawn with the coconut grated as a coating and the noodles. I think this is going to be a real nice meal for you. So you can have it as a wholesome meal, like anytime, lunch or dinner, it's ready. So try it out and see how it comes. And I will come back with another episode for you very soon.